morning, Rakshit.
Good morning, ma'am.
Rakshit, what is our country name?
India.
What is our state name?
Andhra Pradesh.
Do you know how many states are there in our country?
28 states.
Very good. Today I will ask Indian states. You have to say capitals of states, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Andhra Pradesh,
Amravati.
Arunachal Pradesh,
Srinagar.
Assam,
Dispur.
Bihar,
Patna.
Chhattisgarh,
Raipur.
Goa,
Panaji.
Gujarat,
Gandhinagar.
Haryana,
Chandigarh.
Himachal Pradesh,
Shimla.
Jharkhand,
Ranchi.
Karnataka,
Bengaluru.
Kerala,
Thiruvananthapuram.
Madhya Pradesh,
Bhopal.
Maharashtra,
Mumbai.
Manipur,
Imphal.
Meghalaya,
Shillong.
Mizoram,
Advai.
Nagaland,
Kohima.
Odisha,
Bhubaneswar.
Punjab,
Chandigarh.
Rajasthan,
Jaipur.
Sikkim,
Gander.
Tamil Nadu,
Chennai.
Telangana,
Hyderabad.
Tripura,
Agartala.
Uttarakhand,
Dehradun.
Uttar Pradesh,
Lucknow.
West Bengal.
Kolkata.
Very good.